Hello everyone. Today's session I will showcase how to create the child partitions. Here first need to do lsblk. It is showing right the parent partition xvdb disk having 8 GB. For this I am creating the child partition using fdisk command. First need to execute fdisk command. Fdisk, then need to mention device name dev and what is the disk name. First need to mention first need to execute this command and need to mention disk name /dev/xvdd. It is a disk name. Then for creating partition need to execute n. N means n. It is for creating partition. If you have any doubts, you can, if you want, if you don't know commands, you can click on m. It will show the l. You can read and you can execute accordingly. For creating new partition, need to execute n command. N. Then I'm doing the primary. I'm not extending the disk. So I'm executing p. Then I need to mention partition number. I'm providing 1. Then enter. By default value is 2048. You can mention same or just you to enter. Then last sector. Here you need to mention what exact size of the your child partition is required. I am mentioning I want 2 GB. I am mentioning G. Yes, the partition is created. For saving the partition, we need to execute. For saving and writing the partition, we need to execute W command. W. It is saved. If you see now, the child disk is created. Child partition is created of 2 GB size. These are the steps for creating the child partition. Now, if we need to delete child partition, then we created right the partition child partition xvdb1. If need to delete this child partition, then we need to follow these steps I am showing now. Fdisk /dev/xvdb. Need to mention disk name, then D for delete. Partition is deleted. See, it is shown right on message, prompt message. The partition 1 has deleted. For saving the changes, we need to execute W for writing and saving the changes. If you see now, for the previous partition which we created, it is deleted. That's about today's session. Thanks for joining.